So hi everyone, my name is Dinesh Kumar. I work as product manager at a company called Kissflow.
I'm Bharat. I am an engineering manager for Vetology here.
I'm Praveen. I work as a senior data scientist at Capitus.
Today I came to this event Construct Coimbatore organized by IMNEO, the company. I think it was a good event with a good amount of people at Coimbatore city, like a secondary city like Coimbatore. Both kind of benefits I feel in terms of networking with new people and also learning new things in terms of the Gen AI, especially from the speaker. So as a community person, I'm also involved or encouraged to say a fact that we can learn new things in different ways. All the kind of why kind of stuff you'll be able to understand better when you come to such events as in person, because there will be a lot more other people who would have faced a similar problem while you're talking with them and sharing your problem statement with them. You'll get a different kind of an idea. That's the one major thing. I used to go to many events and share my knowledge and also learn from others as well.
First of all, I like to thanks for the opportunity. Today I attended the session on WAG workshop, which is conducted by Nitin. Really very useful session because we are working on a few AI-based products, and we are using like an OpenAI models. That here Nitin explained about how the WAG can be used, and that you can share the data externally, and you can use these kind of LLM models to train with your specific data and process on it.
This is the first time that I attended this series of workshops. First of all, I was very happy that such events happen in Coimbatore, and it was like a welcome break for me. I work remote, and also it was on Gen AI, that being like the current topic of interest. The event was beyond my expectations in terms of the quality. It was hands-on, so I got a good learning and things to take back. Definitely, I believe in learning by doing.
I came to know that this is going to be happening month on month, and I encourage all of you to follow IMNEO Construct Coimbatore and learn more things.
So it's a really useful session for me, and where I can take this knowledge and I can apply in my organization and utilize it for a lot of benefits on it. And it's giving me a lot of learnings, and also I've connected with a lot of people, new people, and having a good networking session as well. So thanks for this opportunity and having the session.
I look forward to more such sessions. Thanks so much for IMNEO for conducting it. It was organized in a very good professional manner and very well organized, everything punctual on time. So I thank all the organizers and the company.